Hello and thank you for joining this webinar to talk about a new approach to greater product innovation for your business, leveraging the power of the Siemens Digital Industries software portfolio of proven solutions. Regardless of your industry, a common trend impacting product developers is that products are getting much more complex, comprised of mechanical, electrical, electronic, and software components. Did you know that engineers spend approximately 30% of the workday searching for various information? Research shows us that collaboration throughout product development processes is lacking because it's difficult to find the right information quickly and keep your global design data synchronized, and to share the right design information with manufacturing. Teamcenter can help you solve these challenges. What we're offering is a roadmap to help you take the first steps on your journey to digitalization. We can help you digitalize your business with our fully integrated approach to engineering process management. Collaborative product development across systems, domains, and departments can help you accelerate product innovation, improve product quality, and streamline the handoff from engineering to manufacturing. Siemens Solutions for Cross-Domain Design Management will help you ensure design compliance and accelerate product development. In addition to making the transition to manufacturing easier, cross-domain data management in Teamcenter will help you and your teams reduce rework, reduce project delays, and ultimately improve product and process quality across your enterprise. As noted by Siemens customer Polar Electro, cross-domain data management that brings together mechanical, electronic, and software brings business value. You can improve collaboration across business functions to speed up development cycles and reduce risk of working to the wrong data. Here are the major mechanical, electrical, electronic, CAD, and software tools that Teamcenter is integrated with. We bring Teamcenter inside the design environment so you can be comfortable in the system in which you're already accustomed to. It's one thing to just store the data, but it's what Teamcenter does to bring data together from those domains, integrating mechanical, electrical, electronic, software, and also simulation data into a single collaborative environment. Product designs for each domain can be easily searched and securely shared, which improves design reuse, quality, and reliability. And with visibility to cross-domain dependencies, engineers can see the impact of their designs and make better product decisions. Enabling data connections across these different domains is essential to product development and innovation. The power of this connected information is behind everything you see. If you're looking at a component, you don't have to go off and search for the latest drawing or geometry. It's already there. If you're viewing a document, you don't have to wonder if it's been approved. You can clearly see its status and its history. If you need to see the requirements driving a software change, it's there. You don't waste time searching for information. Now let's look at mechanical design management. For mechanical design, we provide NX and Solid Edge and support integrations with a variety of third-party Ecad design tools to find what you're looking for faster and maximize reuse. You can establish the relationships and dependencies to requirements and data in other domains, as well as the various product configurations. Since there may be many tools used across your global design chain, our support for multiple CAD tools and multi-CAD design processes helps you avoid data translations and helps you maximize reuse of proven designs. And the 3D models along with the product manufacturing information helps to smooth the transition to manufacturing. Embedded into the native Ecad environment, Teamcenter provides access to a full range of product lifecycle management functionality. This lets you get to the data you need quickly. It lets you securely access designs, manage data revisions, initiate structured workflow and change processes, and more. Also, Teamcenter converts multi-CAD data into the CAD-neutral JT format automatically, so you can reuse, create, share, and modify component designs in your preferred Ecad system and incorporate them into multi-CAD assemblies and product designs. Teamcenter visualization capabilities promote enterprise-wide collaboration of multi-CAD data, supporting the digital twin. This extends access to precise geometry across your functional teams. Using the CAD-neutral JT format, anyone can visualize, probe, section, analyze, and mark up 3D multi-CAD assemblies. The digital mock-up and validation capabilities enable you to validate design changes in multiple configurations of the product. In this demonstration, you'll see how Teamcenter brings PLM inside mechanical CAD systems to help you work smarter. In this case, we're using the Teamcenter NX integration. As a design engineer working to complete the design of a hand drill using NX, you can search for and view Teamcenter managed information. You can start and perform workflow tasks, as well as many other PLM functions. Here we see some great search and filtering capabilities to help you get to the right data quickly, and all without leaving the mechanical CAD tool that you're familiar with. When you find what you're looking for, you can open it up directly in NX. Within NX, you can search in Teamcenter for more information. Here we're looking for a housing component to add to your drill assembly. Once you find the component you need, you can view information around it before finally adding it to your assembly. In summary, mechanical design management with Teamcenter allows you to manage multiple MCAD designs, collaborate across domains, connect to downstream functions, convey necessary manufacturing information, and convert CAD files into neutral JT viewing format. We'll now focus on electrical design management. Integration of electrical data into the overall product structure is required to get a full picture of the platform. Requirements integration to the electrical system drives traceability between the various levels of electrical abstraction. One key output from the electrical design process is a fully defined harness, down to the specific part numbers for every component, including things like terminals and plugs that must be fit onto wire ends and inserted into connector cavities. This full harness content BOM can be published to Teamcenter, where it can be consumed into higher level BOMs or used to feed the ordering and manufacturing process. Capital uses embedded Teamcenter in all electrical design applications to provide users direct and integrated access to PLM managed data and structure. This provides a familiar and consistent environment for designers who must interact with and drive their electrical design process from the master Teamcenter process. Capital has a large number of integration points with Teamcenter, some to publish completed data resulting from a Teamcenter workflow process, and some to consume data defined in Teamcenter as input to the model-based electrical design. The integration points with Teamcenter will continue to grow as the electrical data and manufacturing outputs are more deeply integrated with other areas of the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio of offerings. Now let's see how an electrical harness design in Capital starts its life cycle by defining its location in the overall structure of the product in Teamcenter. Here we're in Teamcenter focusing on a door assembly. The assembly contains an inner panel assembly, and here a project administrator defines a new electrical wire harness item within the door panel, ready for the electrical designer to do their work. Next, we move to the harness design application, where the electrical harness designer uses embedded Teamcenter to create a design that's associated with the design in Teamcenter, and then easily find that design in the Capital project. After completing the harness design process, the completed harness is published to Teamcenter based on the association established when the design was created. The results can be seen instantly using embedded Teamcenter by looking at the attachments to see both a PDF and an XML representation. Next, a bill of materials is published using embedded Teamcenter. The result of the published BOM can be reviewed, listing each component required to manufacture the harness. We can see the graphical representation of the electrical harness itself in the preview, and the details on each part used in the design. Now let's look at how you can bring electronic designs into your collaborative product development environment to integrate tools, data, and processes. Teamcenter provides a single source for all of your Ecad data and process knowledge that help design teams find what's needed faster, maximize reuse, and increase productivity. While Expedition and Pads are our own Ecad design products, Teamcenter supports integration for all major Ecad tools. For complex and multi-board design, Ecad integration with Teamcenter enables a fully parallel collaborative design environment where global teams can work concurrently to develop innovative and competitive products. Designers can save the released versions of their design to Teamcenter, providing access to all other stakeholders. Automatic synchronization with local tool libraries ensures everyone has access to accurate and consistent part information. The Ecad-MCAD Common Part Library enables collaborative design by allowing both the Ecad and MCAD designer to share a common parts library definition. In this demonstration, you're a designer who's been assigned a change. With Teamcenter and the PADS integration, you have everything you need to understand the change, the data involved in the change, and the impact of your change. You can easily make needed changes, communicate what you did, and send the change off to a review process for approval. And you do all of this right inside of PADS. Teamcenter brings change management right inside of PADS. Automatically, you're notified that you have a change to participate in. You have everything you need to understand the change, the impact across the company, and the data involved in the change. Once you've made your necessary changes, you can document the change and then sign off. In summary, electronics design management with Teamcenter helps you to manage, find, and share Ecad design data across your enterprise. For complex and multi-board design, integration with PADS enables a fully parallel collaborative design environment, leveraging library parts and vendors, and collaborating and connecting across MCAD and Ecad domains. Now let's take a look at how you can integrate software with the rest of product development. By treating your software as the valuable parts of the product they are, you can establish relationships and dependencies between software and hardware projects needed to increase product quality and reliability. Application Lifecycle Management integration to Teamcenter, or ALM to PLM integration, enables true interoperability to help get software development out of its silo and integrated with the rest of your product development processes. Software design is essential to many products, and that's why Teamcenter is integrated with our own Polarian Application Lifecycle Management solution to manage the whole software lifecycle. In Teamcenter, cross-domain development teams can manage the software binaries and incorporate them into the product bill of materials, as well as link any other associated software artifacts with the electronic control units, or ECUs, and manage all the hardware and software dependencies. Now let's take a look at the Teamcenter Polarian integration. In this example, there's a complete product bill of materials, which includes mechanical, electrical, the printed circuit board, and a placeholder for where the completed embedded software will be captured and uploaded. In order to accurately track the development of the software, including the requirements, implementation and execution in Polarian, a delegated task programmatically created from a workflow associated to a Teamcenter change request is initiated. This provides complete transparency across both systems to effectively track and deliver a complete mechatronic product. Within Polarian, the software requirements are developed and elaborated on and are associated to the broader product and system requirements. Traceability for the entire set of requirements, regardless of where they're managed, is now established and can be viewed without users needing to change applications. After all the development approvals and reviews are completed, the software deliverable can be published from the Polarian release to the related software BOM part. Now, the accurate version of software can be delivered along with the rest of product information. By managing software as part of the product BOM, you can accelerate development by connecting ALM design and process data across the product lifecycle. Teamcenter supports the collaboration and co-simulation capabilities that make it easier for MCAD, Ecad, software, and CAE simulation engineers to quickly and consistently define structures across disciplines. This is necessary to validate the dynamic interaction of multiple domains. Teamcenter will manage all your simulation in its various forms, from geometry to results, and manage all the relationships between your CAE data, independent of what authoring tools and CAE tools you're using. As an analyst performing a thermal simulation for a new product, you need to ensure the temperature is lower and well under the limits for the microprocessor, FETs, motor, and battery specifications. With Teamcenter, you're easily able to find similar products and review their simulation results and even reuse some of the information as you plan how you'll perform your simulation. With integrated CAE, CAD, and data management tools in a single environment, you can reuse existing CAE data and mesh new components. This speeds up the design process and helps with knowledge retention. Here, you mesh a new heatsink component and then rerun the solution. A side-by-side comparison of the two design iterations is a useful way to see how the two behave differently. Color contour plots can be shared via the industry standard JT format within a CAE report. Now you're able to save the results into Teamcenter, which will automatically create the relationships between the CAD revision and CAE data for you. Simulation management in Teamcenter helps to validate functionality and design, even across different design domains. You can manage simulation models and processes, provide access and visibility with controls and workflows, and improve collaboration across your organization to reduce risk of errors and make smarter decisions. Thanks for attending. You can learn more about Teamcenter by watching our webinars at Siemens.com Impact of PLM. Teamcenter X Cloud Software as a Service helps you get started quickly with the most common PLM use cases. Visit Siemens.com Teamcenter X to sign up for your free 30-day trial.